Hey there, and welcome to GolfCarTV. This is Matt with Converted Carts, and happy to have you here for another episode. Today, we're going back in history just a little bit. This video was actually recorded a couple years ago, but I think it's still very relevant and interesting, and will be exciting for you guys to take a look at. This was back at a time I was able to take a trip down to MadJax headquarters, their warehouse down in Jacksonville, and had a chance to talk to one of their guys about the Storm Body Kit. This was when it was first coming out, and so it's just kind of a fresh look and a walk around of the Storm Body. This is not a paid promotion. This is nothing specific to that, but it is, I think, something for those of you who are interested or have curiosity around the Storm Body and what it looks like and how it exactly fits together with everything. I think it'll be worthwhile and quite enjoyable. Actually, it's a great looking cart. If you've seen some of our other videos, that's actually the one that I'm working on. I've got a black Storm Body that I'm putting on our 2018 TXT. But we're going to jump into it and take a look, and then I'll be back here for a quick recap whenever it's all done. So let's take a look.
Hey everybody, it's Matt from Converted Carts, and today I'm at Nivell MadJax warehouse in Jacksonville, Florida. I'm here with Dustin from MadJax. He's going to take us around this beautiful Storm Body, tell us a little bit about what's going on, why is it so special, and why you need to have it. All right, Dustin, so tell us, this just came out a little over a year ago. Tell us a little bit about what are some of the kind of special features of this body kit.
Well, I mean, first and foremost, I think we should talk about, you can take any TXT from 94 to current and make it look like this. So if you got a cart that's in the dumpster, we can turn it into this, right? So this particular one is the Cherry Metallic, one of MadJax's best sellers, and it has a beautiful metallic coat. We have a really nice redesigned LED light with it, and a grill that has the MadJax X pattern also. With this cart, we recently introduced the custom windshield. This windshield has a seal that really form fits to the Storm Body. Along with this one's tinted, but you can get it also in clear. Recently, we also introduced the handheld wiper produced by Red Dot. And you know, it's manual, so you just pump it back and forth on the windshield.
And as we go around,
as we walk around, we got the nice tobacco MadJax seats. You just put your existing armrest back on it, and well, inside we got the Navitas kit also. Very popular Navitas kit.
And the Navitas does what?
Makes your car much faster. Just bare bones, kicks it up a notch.
Yeah. These are executive seats, MadJax executive seats.
That's right.
We get tobacco. They also come in Scotch, Tuxedo, which is like a black, and
that's it.
Those three?
Yep, those three.
Got it.
We got them for the front, for all the cart models, and we also have them for the back. It's the deluxe seat shape, but it has the MadJax tobacco cover on it. It does have that same X pattern and a cell phone pouch right here. This is the Genesis 250 seat. Also comes in 300 if you want aluminum, a little bit lighter weight. Has a nice plastic footplate right here. Drop it down, and you have a cooler insert. Nice. You also have a padded, wider bar with a Genesis 250 and molded cup holders.
And on the Storm Body for the kits right now, the trunk piece doesn't work with the Genesis 250 300, but it does with the 150 and the Mach 3.
With the Mach 3.
Yeah.
Also, what's a nice feature when you're towing your cart around is this step plate well pulled up so you can get it better on the trailer.
Got it. That's nice.
All right.
And you got on the top, what are we looking at?
Yep, we got the Versa top with the track system inside, so you can add all your accessories, along with upcoming, soon to be released accessory bar. So you can put your bazooka bars and different accessories here too.
And that can go in the back or in the front, yeah, wherever you need it.
Absolutely.
Awesome.
Come around, you got a nice deluxe Goosey steering wheel. The turn signal kit and everything does come with the MadJax Storm Body. And on this cart, we did.
What about the floor mat there?
It's got a premium mat in it. Absolutely. Absolutely.
And then these tires and wheels, we get a lot of people asking that.
Yep, so these tires and wheels have a bronze finish. They're called the Bravos, made by GTW with a Nomad tire. And the Nomad tire has that beefy, aggressive look, and they're steel belted. Also, what many people forget about too is when you go ahead and lift your cart, you want to go ahead and do some wheel spacers on the back. Because what you see is it lines up the front tire with the back tire a little bit better when you go ahead and do a 2 or 3 inch lift.
Yeah, that makes a big difference.
Yeah, so this wheel spacer on here is about 3 inches, and you see that it's outside of the cart.
Nice looking. And so the different colors. This is the metallic red.
Yep, correct. We got right over here in this box, we got an Admiral metallic blue.
Yep.
We have a Sea Storm silver metallic. Got some standard molding colors also.
All right. Looks good, man.
Any other questions, Matt?
I don't think so right now.
Well, that was awesome. I still love that body. It's still one of my favorites, or my favorite for sure, of the body kits that are out there. And even though that video was from a couple years ago, it is absolutely one of our best sellers as far as body kits goes. And I think personally makes a golf cart turn into something that doesn't even look like a golf cart anymore. I mean, it's just it's a beautiful automotive styling body and really, really cool looking. So hopefully you got something out of that, and I hope you will join us next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff, and share this around, and we'll see you next week. Every Wednesday at noon, we've got a new episode.